You rub your eyes, maybe because you're tired, maybe just by habit, and suddenly you see it. Flashes of light, swirling patterns, little sparks dancing in the darkness behind your eyelids. No light source, no camera flash, just pressure from your own fingers. So how is your brain creating light out of nothing? The answer reveals something extraordinary about how your eyes and brain actually work. And most people never learn it. Your eyes contain specialized cells called photoreceptors, specifically rods and cones, that sit at the back of your retina. Their entire job is to detect light and send signals to your brain through the optic nerve. Your brain then interprets those signals as the images you see. Here's the key thing. These photoreceptors respond to light, but they also respond to pressure. When you press or rub your eyes, you're physically deforming the eyeball. That mechanical pressure stimulates the photoreceptors in exactly the same way that light does. They fire. They send signals down the optic nerve, and your brain receives those signals and interprets them the only way it knows how, as light. Scientists call these pressure-induced visual sensations phosphenes. The word comes from the Greek words for light and to show, and they've been documented for thousands of years. Ancient Greek philosophers wrote about the phenomenon of seeing light when pressing on closed eyes. The patterns you see aren't random. The specific shapes, stars, rings, swirls, geometric patterns, are determined by which photoreceptors get stimulated and in what pattern. Press directly in the center of your eye, and you'll see a ring shape. Apply pressure from the side, and you'll see lights appear on the opposite side of your visual field. This happens because of the way the optic nerve maps different parts of your retina to different parts of your visual cortex. Phosphenes don't only happen from rubbing your eyes. Astronauts in space have reported seeing flashes of light caused by cosmic radiation passing through their eyes. People who receive electrical stimulation to the visual cortex of the brain also see phosphenes. And people with certain types of migraines see visual auras that are essentially phosphenes caused by abnormal electrical activity spreading across the visual cortex. There's one important caution here. Occasional phosphenes from gentle eye rubbing are completely normal and harmless. But if you start seeing flashes of light, floaters, or sudden visual disturbances without rubbing your eyes, particularly in the periphery of your vision, that can be a sign of retinal detachment, which is a medical emergency that requires immediate attention. So the next time you rub your eyes and see fireworks, your brain just created light from pressure. No photons required. If your body is doing something strange and nobody has ever properly explained it, that's exactly what this channel is for. Subscribe, because next week we're covering why your voice sounds completely different on a recording than it does in your head. And the reason is more fascinating than you think.